What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. This your boy Tate. I'm back in the building. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Okay, today we're gonna be unboxing the brand new Beats Studio Buds Plus, and I did get the transparent ones, even though I wanted the black bad boy. I didn't want to be like, you know, the oddball of the group and get the black ones. So I did get the transparent because I do like transparent, but I know if I would have got the black ones, I would have wanted to wear them every day. But these type of earbuds do not fit in my ear for long without hurting me. So go ahead and get the transparent just for the sake of the video. Okay, and as everybody knows, or should know, Beats was bought out by Apple, so you can buy these bad boys on the Apple website. I actually went and picked these up from the Apple store here in my area, and it was, you know, they went back to the back and got them, and that was that. Anyway, let's get into the box. All right, I don't need the unboxing knife today, unfortunately. Got the little pull tab on there. Let's get him out of the way. Uh-oh, all I see is black, and I'm loving that. Man, it kind of makes me wish I would have got the black ones. Failed opportunity. Packaging is pretty nice. Let's see. We got the cable here, USB-C, the USB-C charging cable. I'm pretty sure it doesn't come with any type of brick. Here are the interchangeable ear tips, which is pretty dope. I like how they had that on there. Let's see if we're missing anything. Any stickers or anything like that. Only books, and I'm pretty sure I won't need any of this. Let's see. I don't want to break anything but these bad boys. Okay, here we go. All right, let's get this packaging and stuff out of the way and kind of put the book to the side just in case we need this bad boy. You never know. They might have included something new that I didn't know, and I gotta, you know, do a quick reference and act like I knew. Here we go. As you can see, the Beats. This is nice. This is a pretty nice piece of hardware. You have the USB-C charging port down here, as you can see. USB-C cable. We're gonna plug that in, okay? And then of course you plug this up to a power source to charge them up, which is pretty dope. All right, we'll grab a phone. Let's see if I got an iPhone 14 Pro somewhere lying around. Here we go. And I should be able to just open them up and they should pair automatically to my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's get that opened up and boom, there it is right there. We're gonna press connect. Connecting process is starting right now. Okay, so we're all connected and everything. And of course you can connect these bad boys to an Android phone, which is absolutely dope because I do plan on unboxing Android phones on this channel, regardless of how much of an Apple sheep I may appear to be. What I'm gonna do is do an audio test real quick and I'll just let you know how it sounds. This is how they look outside of the case. That transparent is really, really dope. And I'm butterfingers around here. This is the left earbud. Let's see, do a little twist. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture and see how these bad boys look in my ear so I can share it with you guys. Let's see here. That's a good angle. Turn to the side. Okay, and this is how it's gonna look in your ear. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie to you. They actually feel pretty good. Okay. Sounds crystal clear. Oh, these sound dope. Okay, let's pause. In fact, I'm gonna pop both of them in real quick. Now I can't hear absolutely anything. I'm gonna tell you how it sounds with both ends. Oh yeah, man, these things are bangers, yo. Absolutely dope. The audio quality is amazing. They have that, you can hear that magnet, suck them in. That's actually a magnet pulling these bad boys in place, which is absolutely dope. My only concern is over time, these bad boys are gonna turn yellow. There's no way around it. So of course I have to do an update video, maybe 6 months to a year to see how they come along. Now I don't plan on bringing these outside of the studio very often because I find myself taking a lot of my high quality audio devices or earbuds or headphones outside of the house and they just completely get destroyed. I don't plan on using them for phone calls, so for my use case scenario, it just doesn't. I always have a pair of AirPods nearby for phone calls. This is it, just for music for me. But anyway, let's push these to the side. Now, I did get into the store and I found out they had these bad boys. I thought EarPods were dead, but apparently they have new EarPods where they have the lightning cable at the end, which is exactly what I needed. Now, I know the new iPhone 15 is going to have USB-C. Well, that's what speculation says. So I guess I gotta keep one of these iPhones around. And then I can't forget that I do have my iPhone SE. So if I'm listening to music and I need this bad boy, I can always connect the two because I don't plan on getting rid of this phone. So I'm gonna use these bad boys. These are gonna be the ones that I take outside of the house because they were only like 15, 16 bucks. And I'd rather tear these up than a pair of expensive headphones like this. There we go. Man, EarPods. What do you know? I'm gonna have these bad boys on today. All right, so we got the EarPods. So I'm pretty sure you don't need a book for AirPods, but for the sake of the nostalgia, which I'm pretty sure these are gonna gain, I'm gonna hold on to the box. And basically, they're just a wired set of AirPods, which is absolutely dope, yo. So I get the clarity of AirPods and I can talk on the phone all day long and don't have to worry about battery life unless my iPhone is dying. So let's see, let's plug them up. All right, let's listen to the same song. I Believe I Could Fly, let's go. Yo. Bro, these are the best wired headphones ever made, period. There's no static, there's no distortion, just crystal clear audio. They sound better than the Beats, man. The Beats had a lot of bass in them, so I did like that. Don't get it twisted. These just are like I'm at a symphony orchestra or some crap like that. They sound amazing, and they were only $19. Let that sink in. Anyway, let me get off of these. Okay, so the Beats Studio Buds Plus are actually pretty good headphones. Audio is on point. I may start wearing Beats a lot longer moving forward. But again, I will do an update video on these bad boys to let you know how they sound months later, or maybe even up to a year, or both. I'm not gonna get everything out of just one video of unboxing them, so this is more so, like I said at the beginning, unboxing and first impressions type video. But anyway, this your boy Tate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gone. Peace.